Hey guys, happy Sunday. Hope everyone's doing well. Just wanted to talk quickly about Cornershop. Cornershop is a new grocery delivery app. Well, it's not really new, but they started in Canada in, I believe, July of 2019. So they've been here for almost a year. They're not Canada wide yet. Currently, they are in Peel, Durham, Greater Montreal area, obviously the city of Toronto, and Burlington, up to Burlington. So if you are thinking of joining Corner Shop, now is definitely the time to join. Guys, they are amazing. They pay way better than Instacart. Yeah, they're really cool. They pay better. They don't use plastic bags. They provide you with paper bags. They also provide you with a T-shirt. They pay you for kilometers to the store and to the customer's house, so you are getting paid to go there and to the customer's house. You also get paid for picking and you also get paid for delivering the items. They're really, really cool and they are slowly expanding into Canada. Another thing that I really do appreciate about this company is that their store catalog is amazing. They service so many stores like Walmart, Metro, Costco, Longo's, M&M Meat Shops, Sephora, Bulk Barn, PetSmart, Canadian Tire, Organic Garage, Indigo, just to name a few. Like they have so many stores you can shop from, so you don't feel like you're shopping from the same two or three shops.